टी है, हर तरीके की टी है एंड आई थिंक बहुत सारी हेल्थ टीज भी हैं यहाँ पर.
Health teas भी हैं and like you said, basically these are, it's a chai intoxication atmosphere. You drink anything over here, you're going to be intoxicated क्योंकि ये atmosphere ही ऐसा
है.
But यहाँ की जो speciality है, that is अदरक and पुदीना चाय, which is brewed.
अदरक एंड पुदीना चाय.
Nice. जो it is brewed like घर में जैसे हम चाय बनाते हैं. तो that is.
तो मतलब उसमें क्या करते हैं, चाय की पत्ती पानी डालेंगे, पानी के साथ चाय की पत्ती, अदरक
पानी के साथ पहले अदरक डालेंगे क्योंकि you need the अदरक.
हाँ, उसको बॉईल करेंगे.
फिर उसके बाद ये मेरा रेसिपी है.
अच्छा.
I put
I know रेस्टोरेंट में आपने बहुत सी डिशेस खुद ही आपका अपना मेन्यू है वो, और आपकी खुद ही रेसिपीज आप बनाते हैं वो.
तो ये चाय का रेसिपी मैंने दिया है क्योंकि ये मैं.
This is how you drink tea. अच्छा, you like drinking.
और फिर मैं थोड़ा सा चाय का, this is for 1 cup, I put the चाय का पत्ता डाल के, then you let it boil. और जब तैयार हो जाए तो you put the little bit of milk. I use the recipe of 1/4 milk, 3/4 water.
Okay.
And you just let it boil once, take it out, put it in a kettle. और चाय के कप में भी डाल सकते हो सीधा, और 1 या 2 पुदीना का पत्ता तब भी ऊपर डाल के.
So fresh mint tea.
Yeah, fresh mint.
Oh, nice.
Mint is fresh. Mint is not boiled.
Okay.
तो उसका taste अलग रहेगा.
Right.
That is why. So this is a very special जगह, especially 4 बजे के बाद. You come and have high tea over here. You get chai with pakoras.
Chai with pakora is nice.
Unique experience, yes.
Okay.
Monsoons, it's
really nice. But I think चाय और पकौड़ा खाने का एक अलग ही मजा है साथ में.
It is actually जो ढाबा के ऊपर
कल्चर है वो, उसको फॉलो किया है. हाँ जी.
They put up a table here and frying in front of you.
Oh, nice. लेकिन एक चीज़ की तो मैं गारंटी ले सकती हूँ कि आप फैंटास्टिक मैक्सिकन कुक हैं, क्योंकि वो तो मैंने एक्चुअली खुद खाया हुआ है, आपके हाथ का बनाया हुआ. सो लेट्स रीलिव दोस वंडरफुल मेमोरीज और कुछ मैक्सिकन ट्राई करते हैं.
I'll try.
लेट्स गो.
Thank you.
Taru, if Priyasman is the heart of Madhuban Resorts, then you are the soul of the kitchen.
Wow, that's such a nice compliment, Dipti.
Thank you. The passion shows how you were working ना. आप कैसे instruction दे रहे थे, खाना लगवा रहे थे, मतलब पूरे एक ingredients को अच्छे से लगवाया. That passion oozes out from you.
You see, for Mexican food, you have to have there many ingredients, and you have to have everything on the table. Because today I'm going to show you at least 3 or 4 items that are a must. Have if you go to a Mexican restaurant, and so I was just making sure everything is there.
So tell me what we're making first.
Okay, I'm going to start with the salsa, which is like again
soul of the Mexican food. Yeah.
So I'm going to start with the salsa and then go on to nachos. So let's start the Mexican fiesta.
Sure.
Starting with tomatoes, there's always a lot of tomatoes. Then the kidney beans, which is our rajma. Then we have tomatoes, again chopped tomatoes, onions, jalapeno peppers. We also have green chilies, coriander, or we call it dhania.
Sure.
I don't know.
Dhania. Salad
we have lettuce, or green tomato sauce, which is called tomatillo salsa.
Tomatillo salsa.
And then sour cream. Okay, and then some more vegetables for fajitas, and of course olives are there.
Sure.
We have 2 kinds of cheese, Monterey Jack and cheddar, and enchilada sauce. Of course, we have some beans that are
crushed and already made like a sauce.
For a filling, for a filling as well as for nachos. For nachos. So I'm going to start with the salsa because it's a very easy recipe, but I think it's the touch of every person. It's like dal. Everybody makes dal. But everybody's dal tastes different. Okay, the same ingredients. So same way, I'm going to make salsa, and I think I take an edge over anybody else's Mexican food because my salsa is supposed to be very good. That's what everyone says. So you give me your comments today,
Sure.
okay? Now we've got ready-made fresh tomatoes puree.
Okay.
So I use the fresh tomato puree. Okay, little
ये
bit
हमने
of that.
टमाटो प्यूरी ले लिया है
ले लिया.
और अगर हमारे पास फ्रेश टमाटोज मतलब उनको सिर्फ हम ग्राइंड कर लें और इन एक प्योरे बना लें.
Puree banana, yeah. So
ये
you
chopped
can,
tomatoes,
yeah. If you want it to last longer, you can boil the tomatoes
Okay.
and then
and then make a puree.
then you
and you
make
can
a
then
puree.
freeze it also.
And freeze it also.
Yeah.
So a little bit of chopped tomatoes, finely chopped onions. Okay.
ये हमने
A little
प्याज
bit
ले
of
लिया है.
yeah, and a little bit of crushed garlic. May I have some garlic, please? And then some coriander.
ये हमने हरा धनिया ले लिया है.
Yeah, lots of it.
Lots of it.
Yeah.
Actually क्योंकि हरे धनिया का फ्लेवर बहुत अच्छा आता है.
See, Mexican
So-
food is very much like Indian food. They have almost the same ingredients
Right.
that
Yeah.
we use except for the cheese.
Cheese.
I use, to make it spicy, the green finely chopped chilies.
Green chilies.
And then I also use jalapeno
Jalapenos.
peppers
Yeah.
to give it that vinegary taste. And my hands are clean. I'm going to
Okay.
crush it. Okay, that's what you have to crush them. Oh, these are not crushing. These are very solid. So I'm just gonna. They should be chopped
Yeah.
then and put inside. Okay.
I think जो एलोपिनो से एक ये टेस्ट आता है थोड़ा सा
Yeah,
इसके
the
अंदर
vinegary
उसका
taste.
सिरका होता है
हाँ,
तो
so that's
एक
what.
खटास भी आ जाती है
हाँ.
और
That's what. And some
ऐसी
salt.
मिर्ची भी आ जाती है.
Some
Salt.
salt.
हाँ.
So and a pinch of garlic, which is shredded,
Pinch of garlic.
not crushed, but
Okay.
it's. And then
So
now
थोड़ा
you-
सा फ्लेवर के लिए हमने
flavor के
garlic
लिए,
डाला है.
yeah. And now all you do is mix it together.
So this is fresh
And
salsa.
Fresh salsa, and it is ready.
Wow. तो हमने इसमें टमाटो प्यूरी ली, टमाटोज डाले,
Yeah.
हमने इसके अंदर कटी हुई प्याज डाली, हमने
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा धनिया डाला,
So
कटी हुई हरी मिर्च डाली, थोड़ा सा गार्लिक डाला और एलोपिनोज डाला और नमक डाल के
So this is
इसको
what it
मिक्स
is.
कर लिया और ये हमारी फ्रेश सालसा
salsa
तैयार हो
है.
गई है.
And so I'll just keep it ready for as an accompaniment to
So,
our.
ये हमारी एक डिप रेडी हो गई है. And same way do we have to prepare
Yes, same
green
way.
salsa? सिर्फ ये green tomatoes से हमने
With
बनाई
green
है.
tomatoes and everything else is the same.
Same,
Everything,
right.
but there is no garlic in the green.
Okay.
I don't.
So again
I
only
don't.
onions और जो हरे टमाटर होते हैं ये उनके साथ बनाई गई है. तो हरे टमाटर, उसमें प्याज, उसमें हरा धनिया, उसमें
Green
हरी
chilies,
मिर्च
green chilies.
और एलोपिनोज और हमने इसके अंदर नमक डाला है और
That's
सिर्फ
it.
गार्लिक नहीं डाला है, बाकी सब कुछ सेम है.
Garlic and green tomatoes don't go together.
Don't go together,
That's
okay.
my recipe.
Great.
So that is one item done. Now we'll go on to the next one, which is we're going to make some nachos. I have tri-colored chips here, which is already fried and ready from corn tortillas.
कॉर्न टोर्टियाज. ये कॉर्न टोर्टियाज हैं. दोबारा ये कॉर्न टोर्टियाज हैं और ये हमें बाजार से रेडीमेड मिल जाते हैं. So we can buy these right from the market.
In India, it is available at certain places only. You have to get from wholesalers. Otherwise, you can import it. It's
Okay.
not readily available
Yeah.
everywhere. Okay, so I've taken the tortillas. Now I'm just going to put the beans prepared there
So
with
this
the gravy.
is a bean sauce.
Yeah, it's got
bean puree.
it's got tomatoes, onions, and some
Okay.
spices in it. Not
So
very
same way
spicy.
जैसे हमने किडनी बीन्स हैं उनको उबाल लिया, फिर उसके अंदर प्याज, टमाटर, धनिया और हरी मिर्च और नमक डाला है और थोड़ा सा गार्लिक और उसको एक सॉस में बना लिया है.
And now I sprinkle it with Monterey Jack cheese.
So this is a typical Mexican cheese.
yeah.
We don't get this here.
You
So-
you do get the Indian blends, but
So
they're
can we
not.
make this with Indian cheese as well?
Yeah, you can, but the taste differs.
Yeah,
the taste
right.
differs. And now you can top it up with a little bit of onions, little bit of tomatoes.
Wow.
Okay, and you can just garnish it with some
Taru,
jalapenos. Yeah.
You look pro in this.
Oh, I've been cooking this for
Really?
30 years. It's been
आप
my
एकदम
dream to
ऐसा
open
लगता
a
है कि ये
Mexican.
बहुत टाइम से Mexican restaurant चला रहे हैं.
I've been wanting to make, or open a Mexican
She is
restaurant
so
for the last so many years, and Madhuban gave me this opportunity. And
is called
Madhuban
Madhuban
has,
Resort.
we have a 24-hour coffee shop, so you
And
can
so
get,
many restaurants.
and so many restaurants,
Yes.
and this is one
So
of them.
That's fantastic.
In fact, this Mexican tapas bar, as we call it, it just so happened we had this nice, beautiful balcony type of जगह। तो हमने सोचा, एक दिन मैं जब ऊपर आई तो मैं सोची दिस इज़ अ परफेक्ट प्लेस। छोटा सा किचन भी था, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैक्सिकन रेस्टोरेंट इज़ वेरी इजी बिकॉज इट्स ऑल फ्रेश इंग्रेडिएंट्स। corn tortillas you can make at home. I've been making it at home. I've trained my Maharaj. Then flour tortillas we make at home. And the rest, and you forget the cheese which I used to carry from abroad. So then I used to make these. Now this is ready.
Oh, this is ready.
And you have to serve it with.
So हमने इसको सिर्फ 2 मिनट कितने 3 मिनट्स के लिए हमने इसको माइक्रोवेव किया।
1 मिनट के लिए, 3 minutes.
1 मिनट के लिए हमने इसको माइक्रोवेव किया।
This is for topping. You give this.
So ये हमने sour cream
लिया.
टॉपिंग के लिए ली है।
And you know, just garnishing, you can put a little bit of this, and of course धनिया का पत्ता. But I will put. This is it.
This is it.
And you
So lovely.
take this to the table. Why don't you
Sure.
try one?
Oh, we'll eat it together.
Okay.
You're cooking so much, so it looks so tempting. But I think we should
Okay, so
share it
we'll-
together.
We'll put it, but you know,
Put it aside.
yeah. Try one.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I'll
It
try. It
tastes
looks really tempting. So.
Put some salsa.
Yeah. Wow. Yum. Oh my God, this is really really tasty. और आपको यहाँ आके इसको खुद चखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ आपको खा के ही समझ में आएगा कि ये कितना delicious है. This is really really amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Taru.
Yeah, you must, you know, try the rest of the things that
Yeah.
I'm going to make for you, and we're going to make quesadilla now. So I'm going to mix all the ingredients here and then do the filling in the quesadilla roti.
Sure.
And put it in the oven again.
Okay.
Very quickly I'll show you
Yeah.
the ingredients. So we take, because it's a big tortilla, I'll take a lot more. So again the same
हमें-
ingredients.
Again, हमने
Tomatoes.
tomatoes लिया है, प्याज ली
onions.
है.
Yeah. I'll take some mushrooms. Mushrooms मुझे दे दो. So these are mushrooms. It's got mushrooms already
This
cooked
is-
a little bit to remove the water out of it.
Okay.
Okay. और इसके अंदर आएगा थोड़ा green chilies to make it spicy. You can make without the green chilies also.
Okay.
And very few
Jalapenos,
jalapenos. Actually, they should be again chopped. And garlic salt.
So अगर garlic salt नहीं है तो हम इसमें garlic भी डाल सकते हैं.
गार्लिक डाल सकते हैं, लेकिन इसका टेस्ट सॉल्ट के साथ है ना तो बहुत अच्छा आता है. But you can put garlic.
Okay.
And I'm going to add the cheese. The most important part about quesadilla is the cheese.
Lots of
Again,
cheese.
lots of cheese. Okay. With the cheese, and then I'll put some on the top. I'm going to stir this.
So ये हमारी tortilla की filling बन गई है. Sorry, quesadilla की.
Quesadilla
हाँ,
की.
ये हमारी quesadilla की filling बन गई है. So तो ये हमारी quesadilla की filling बन गई है, जिसे हमने एक साथ prepare कर लिया है और अब हम उसको fill करेंगे.
मुझे ये तो दे देना.
Okay, so this is quesadilla, यानी कि
It's a tortilla.
Oh.
It's a big tortilla.
अच्छा tortilla.
Tortilla.
So tortilla is रोटी और जो हम डिश बना रहे हैं उसका नाम quesadilla है.
And now I'm going to fold it and cook it for about a minute in that. You at home you can do it on the tawa,
Okay.
but here we have in the restaurant we have that
Toaster
grilled-
kind of
toaster
grill.
kind of grill.
Okay.
Yeah. So you just place it like this और थोड़ा सा olive oil ऊपर और when you turn it थोड़ा सा हाँ okay close it. Now while it is getting toasted I will get the other thing I wanted to mention you, one of the most important accompaniments to Mexican food is guacamole.
Guacamole.
which is made from avocados.
Oh yeah, guacamole, absolutely.
But we don't
Yeah.
get avocados. It's very seasonal, and we are in a small town. You know, even if we get it, it is rare. But it's a very easy and nice recipe if you get it. You know, if you get a
Yeah.
ripe avocado, just remove the pulp and add a little bit of onions, tomatoes, and green chilies and fresh garlic. That's
I
it.
think garlic का taste उसमें बहुत अच्छा आता
Yeah,
है.
most of the ingredients remain the same,
Right.
but it's some are cooked, some are not cooked, and then you add a little bit of coriander.
And avocado is very healthy
Very
also.
healthy, very
so
healthy.
So it's a good dip also.
Right, right. So with quesadilla, usually the accompaniment is sour cream and guacamole.
Guacamole.
Okay, which today we don't have, so we'll serve it with sour cream. And I think it's ready, so I will just एक plate
Ready already? Okay.
plate में दे दो. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, बड़ा plate है.
हाँ, बड़ी plate में डाल दो.
And we have a pizza cutter, so we cut it. I'll show
Yeah,
you.
you cut it and then we
Oh,
serve.
you're gonna cut it with this? Okay. So basically, you make it into 4 pieces.
Okay.
And you can. Do we have the big plates?
You
No big
just-
plates?
yeah.
Okay, I need something to. I need this. Sorry. Okay, so we put some sour cream on the side,
Yeah.
and usually some guacamole on the side, and this, and it is ready. Just
Wait, we can
garnish
just
it.
add some
Yeah,
olives.
Olives, yeah. Just on the side. That's it. So this is your dish,
Nice.
and
For
of
the
course
colour,
the
we can
salsas are always at the table. Thank you for garnishing. So the salsas are always at the table, the red and the green salsa.
Wow.
But
So
you should
can't
try
wait. Can't wait. Let's sit in this beautiful setting. And इस समय बहुत अच्छा है, sunset हो रहा है, so we should at least
Okay,
have
otherwise
this there.
we have to make one more item, enchilada.
Enchilada.
Which is the highlight of the whole.
Oh, okay. So we
Shall
do that
make
also.
that?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. और ब्रेक के बाद प्रेयर स्विन के लिए एक सरप्राइज है जो मैं जल्दी आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. सो कम राइट बैक. हाँ, सो तारू यू हैव टू टेल मी कि आपको मैक्सिकन तो इतना अच्छा खाना बनाना आता है, तो आप आई एम श्योर सारा खाना सब कुछ आता है आपको बनाना, बट व्हाट एल्स यू यूज्ड टू कुक व्हेन यू वर यंग, और इफ यू रिमेंबर एनी ऑफ दोस डेज?
Yeah, cooking is a passion with me, and you know, I pick up things as I see and create a taste for myself. तो जब भी मैं कुछ जो मुझे मनपसंद चीज़ देखती थी तो मैं हमेशा ट्राई करने को जाती थी. तो that one of the things that I loved as a young girl was उड़द की दाल, the Punjabi style.
अच्छा.
Okay, and हमारा एक नेबर थे जो हमेशा बनाते थे, and you know they used to boil and boil and boil for 4 to 6
That's
hours.
the way पंजाबी cooks.
Yeah, they used
सब
to put
पंजाबी लोग
lots of
बहुत देर
butter,
तक हाँ बटर के साथ उसे
तो
घोट
मैंने
घोट
भी
के बनाते
हाँ
हैं.
तो मैंने भी वैसे बनाने को सीखा था. तो जब मैं अमेरिका गई तो आई वाज वेरी यंग एट दैट टाइम, आई वाज ओनली 19. तो जब मैं वहाँ गई तो एवरी मंथ जब फ्रेंड्स वगैरह स्टूडेंट्स, अदर स्टूडेंट्स के साथ हम लोग इकट्ठे होते थे, तो आई वुड ऑलवेज कुक दिस उड़द की दाल.